Alright, let's do a quick winter update here on the 89 Monaco Crown Royale. 36 foot diesel pusher. It's got a Cummins 8.3 liter, 6 CTA. It's got a water to air aftercooler in it. Gotta have the underglow. I'm gonna try to get this color edited to the actual color. Looks a little bit of yellow in the video. It's a nice amber color, similar to what normal amber lenses look like. So it's jacked up a little bit right now. I'm still working on the diesel generator that I put in. Let's try to get a peek of that. So it had an original Kohler propane unit in here. A little safety device right there instead of a fuse. So I know it's pretty difficult to make anything out. It really is just a box. It's an APU 2-cylinder half-liter Perkins engine with a 6 kilowatt belt-driven generator on it. Got the tire covers on, keep the UV off it. I did a 4-inch straight pipe turbo back on it. I know, pretty difficult to see. Really should have put in some boards under that jack. It's sinking down into the ground, but hopefully should be done with this generator soon. I can get it going again normally. Let's see. Let's take a peek inside here. So it's under construction as always. I'm gonna zoom out so you can get a better fisheye lens look on it. So what we got going on here? So we got a total of 5 seats for the 3 kids. This is a 52-inch or 54-inch couch, so I was hoping to have the same kind of room over here. And in that case, I would have done like a a televator. Oh my God, what is happening over here with this light? Come on, baby. Those are eBay lights. eBay China's pure Chinesium. Finest they got. Anyway, so I got these. Originally I got, they're slightly mismatched, so you can see this pattern and this pattern. I was gonna do 3 of these guys across the back, and then I have a pair of these guys doing a pair in the front. Obviously that would impair the center aisle a little bit, but then it would open this area up a little bit more. However, I've been thinking, since the kids are gotta be in the child seats or whatnot, have them like this. You can turn them all around, whatever. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Maybe something else. All of these are gonna be on the same plane. All of them are gonna have seat belts into the rails underneath it. So it'll be all nice and safe. As safe as a cardboard box wooden Class A can be. It ain't no Prevost, that's for sure. So anyway, this one's sitting a little high. It's got the original thingy on there. Nothing else really going on here. Nothing else new. Might do a little mini fridge in there or whatnot. Cabinet update. So since the last video, I don't remember what it was, but all the cabinets are painted with an enamel with a clear gloss over it as well. Let's see here. I've been catching some mice as well. They've been trying to make a living in here. So let's go. I got the control panel wired up. Let's turn the inverter there on. There we go. Look at that. Nice and bright. Got the Thermador cooktop on here. Got a commercial microwave. We got a Panasonic commercial microwave in there. So it's got no turntable in there. It's really nice. The actual magnet deal little thing, that's what spins in there, and that's what gives you even heating throughout. So scored that for a nice deal. Still missing all the trim underneath or whatnot. All the vents are still missing. So finished up with this is actual marble tile, just over 3/8 thickness, and then did a little inlay here. All the windows still have to have I'm gonna do a MDF with a fiberglass overlay, gloss white inserts for all the windows, so everything will be matching. Got this beautiful commercial grade wallpaper here, nice and thick. It's a vinyl, I believe. Some gold flecks in there. You gotta have the bling, so that'll be going up on all the walls. Everything that's just painted right now. Let's see what else we got here. Installed a new fan here. It was one of them Cool-O-Matic deals. That's a max fan. I also want to do one in the bathroom. Don't know if I'll have enough room. Camera cut out earlier, so anyway, got the Thermador cooked up on here. This is still on liquid propane. Got the furnace under here. Got the big old single bay sink in here now. This all has to get trimmed out still. So yeah, this guy works. Whoops. You know, the fan. Hell yeah, brother. Like I said, I got the Bluetooth extraction up here. That's a patented design right there. So it'll exhaust out here and exhaust out here. No fumes whatsoever, no ducting. Bada bing, bada boom. This still has to get all polished out. It's kind of like a semi-satin look. Let's see if we can get the actual color temperature to show up here. Oh, not at all. Whatever. Normally this is quite a bit warmer looking. Anyway, let's move on to the other area here. So we got 3 bunks. And it's a little bit of a mess right now. These are little rails I put in just so the kids don't fly out while they're sleeping. Oh man, really messed those curtains up. Anyway, these curtains look like this. They got a nice pattern on them. They actually, the real color of it looks quite similar to the wallpaper that I'm doing in here. So it's a size for 3 Gregs to be able to sleep in here. 6'2" straight between here and this wall. So you know, I'm 6'3", I could fit right in here. Everything's trimmed out in this. It's a factory upholstery for Sea Ray boats. You know, got the button trim on everything, so there's screws in here holding it all in. Laminated wood, hardwood, softwoods, you know, lumber grade. It's got oak ply, 3/4 oak ply underfloors, waterproof mattress covers. This is some pretty thick mattresses as well, high density. Could support my fat ass on here, no problem. So the little kids have no issues. You know, kids are able to sleep on anything on a rock, so they don't complain that it's hard or whatever. Anyway, so I got the curtains. These all match up in here, and each one of these bunks has its own light. I swear to God, that one's got a light. Anyway, so yeah, they move around. Capacitive touch. You could turn it off. Turn a little blue light on or whatever. Let's kill this. And you can make it lighter or dark or whatever, so that's pretty neat. Unfortunately, haven't done much more in the bathroom here. It's still just the original shower is all tiled out. Still needs trim everywhere. It's got the toilet on there, porcelain toilet, porcelain sink in here. This was actually a terrible idea because if there's air trapped in the lines, it just all squirts back. So all of these guys still need to get covered in tile. This whole thing is going to be covered in tile. Still got the original oak on here, so that has to get done in the high gloss white like everything else is. And master bedroom is still unchanged. Still got the original wallpaper. That's going to go yada yada. Still got to get a nice little cover in here. Got a mattress, nice and comfy. Frankly, I'm going to keep the oak in here. It's nice and warm. You know, just update some of the fixtures a little bit. You know, get the suede going on the roof. Still finish up, you know, all the little trimmings of the lights and whatnot. Get new handles here. And obviously get rid of this nasty carpet. It does have a sliding door, so we can, you know, shut the kids out and try to get a bit of a quieter sleep. It's got the electric radiator over here. And yeah, so I'm trying to catch some mice, still big old rats. So that's our little winter update here.